Welcome back, everyone, to Black and White Life Coaching. I'm Brad Richard, and it is Sunday, and we are back with another video. This Sunday, we're going to be talking about reward systems, what they are, how to use them, and why you should use them. And so, basically, a reward system is a system that you put in place to reward yourself small little rewards for accomplishing smaller short-term goals, things that you have on your things to do list. When you accomplish something or you complete a task or a goal, you give yourself just a small reward, something that is significant, but not something that's huge, okay? Just a small reward for accomplishing the goal or the task, okay? When we do that, the reward system basically reaffirms or tells our brains that succeeding feels good, and that completing a task or completing or being successful with a goal, that doing that is a good feeling. And the brain, it goes back to dopamine, right? It makes us feel great, makes us feel excited. It makes us feel really good about ourselves when we complete something and when we succeed at something. And so rewarding yourself and doing it on a regular, consistent basis, the reward reestablishes or kind of lets the brain know that, hey, this is something that makes me feel good. I like feeling this way. I like accomplishing things. I like succeeding at things. And the more you do that, the more rewards that are given to yourself. Okay. So it's really that simple. A reward system can be very, very, very powerful. And it's a positive way to program your brain to feel good about accomplishing things and reaching a goal or completing a task. And it's very important that you keep it small, nothing, real major, unless it's a major goal or a major accomplishment. That's a different scenario. If you do accomplish something amazing, that's a huge goal or event, and and it kind of warrants a little bit bigger reward system, then you have to keep it in balance. Okay, you have to kind of keep it in check. Don't reward yourself too much, and don't go overboard financially. Okay, so keep it in perspective. Keep it on the same level of excitement about achieving that goal or that accomplishment. Okay, so that's all it really is. Just come up with some rewards, some things that you don't do on a regular basis. Whether that be getting a coffee at Starbucks, going to Baskin Robbins and getting, a cone or a cup of your favorite ice cream. Find things that you don't do on a regular basis that maybe you've missed or that it's like, oh, I haven't done that in such a long time. Okay. And by doing that, that really adds energy to the reward system and makes it more powerful if it's something that you haven't done in a very long time. And so make it small, start off small, baby steps, right? And just reward yourself for your accomplishments and your goals, whether those are short-term goals or medium-sized goals or even large goals, but keep it balanced with the reward, okay? And that's the easy way to use reward systems to keep your brain positive, to keep your life interesting and exciting and happy. And so reward systems are a great way to do that. Okay. So that's really what I want to talk to you about this week is reward systems and rewarding you and rewarding yourself for accomplishing a task or a goal. Okay. I also want to take this time to thank all the new subscribers and would love to see your comments down in the comments below. We'll be having another video coming up next Sunday where I'll be talking about a different topic. This week is reward systems, but next week will be a different topic, and I'll announce what that is on Wednesday. Excuse me, when I do my short. Okay, I'm going to take a sip of water because I'm losing my voice. Hopefully that helps. So be on the lookout for the video, the short that comes out Wednesday this coming week, and I will announce what I'll be talking about on Sunday. And I want to take this opportunity to give you a reward for watching the channel, excuse me, and watching this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my email address in the comments of this video, okay? And this is only for the YouTube channel. It's not for the podcast listeners. It's not for the podcast subscribers. This is just for YouTube. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be giving you a reward just for watching the video and watching today's, content. Okay. And what I'll be giving away is it's not something huge. Like I said, keep it small. But what I'll be giving away is a $10 Amazon gift card. And with that gift card, you can go to Amazon and search anything and find something unique, cool, exciting on Amazon. Something maybe that it's like, oh, I've always wanted one of those. Yeah, go to Amazon, check it out, use the gift card, and it's on me. Okay. $10 isn't a lot of money. I know that, but it is enough to get you a cool reward and get you started on the reward system for yourself. So the way it's going to work is I will be emailing the gift card, the Amazon $10 gift card. I will be rewarding that or giving that away to the very first person to comment on this video in the YouTube channel. So the very first person that comments on this video in YouTube, this channel, with the word reward in the comments, I will reach out to you, or you can send me an email to the email address that I provide in the comments, and I will need to get your email address only to send you the free Amazon gift card. It's for nothing else. You're not going to get any spam. You're not going to get any sales stuff from me at that email address. That email address, that I'll need from whoever wins, whoever's the first person to comment, okay, on this video. I only need the email address so I can send the Amazon gift card to you. A whopping $10, okay? But at least you'll be able to buy something on Amazon that's cool and that you feel is a reward worth getting. So that's how it will work. I will put my email address in the comments. I will reach out to the first person to comment on this video, in the channel, specifically this video, with the word reward in the comment. And whoever that first person is, I will gladly send you an Amazon gift card for $10. So I want to thank you for joining me and being here, checking out the channel. I want to encourage everyone to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that like button so more people can see my videos, see my content, see my free, no BS approach to life coaching. And so hit the like button, and I would love for you to subscribe, and so you can be here for, future videos that are coming out. So with that being said, we're going to wrap up. Today we talked about reward systems. I've explained to you how to get a free Amazon $10 gift card. Follow those instructions. If you get stuck or didn't hear that part of the video for whatever reason, you can always message me and send me a message. But whoever that first person is that comments, I'll be able to identify them with a timestamp that they were the first ones to comment. So I'll make sure you get your card. Also, this Wednesday, once again, I'll have a short. It'll be coming out this Wednesday. I'll make the announcement of what we're going to talk about next Sunday on the Black and White Life Coaching YouTube channel. And that'll be coming out on Wednesday, and I will be back next Sunday with another video for all of you, and with Black and White Life Coaching. So I think I'm going to wrap it up. Try out a reward system. Reward yourself something small to keep those positive vibes going, and those warm fuzzy feelings about accomplishing something. And the more rewards that you give yourself, the more you're going to want to succeed and achieve more things in your life, especially if on the other end of that there is a exciting reward. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to wrap it up, and I want to thank you for being here this week. Always enjoy talking to y'all, and that's the Texas part of me, y'all. And I look forward to being back next Sunday with another topic, another subject. Go out, do great things, reward yourself, and don't forget to comment down below in the comments the word reward, so I can send one lucky viewer a free Amazon gift card. I want you to take care of yourself, love your little me. They need you more than you can imagine. And until next week, I appreciate you being here. Take care, and bye for now.